Both gold and silver is still very much in range, failing to break past by the lower support at 1840 and 2140 respectively for gold and silver. And today is a very important day for gold and silver, as the CPI data will get released later in the day for US, and all eyes on that. Definitely it will help decide these two metals the direction for next few weeks. Let's see what is going to happen today. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next analysis for gold will be up just before the US cash session, so do watch that also. First, we'll look into gold with the help of candlestick charts and indicators, and in the end, I'll give you the trading levels and followed with silver. So do watch till the end. Now look at the hourly charts for gold. What it has done till now on the hourly charts, lower highs consistently, indicates that it is not willing to go up. That is very clear. And see, the highs are precisely well connected. Also, if you look at this, here it is trying to give you expanding triangle, indicating that the bearishness is trying to increase. Only long entry is above 1850 levels, and then 1855 will come into picture. And as I say always, below 1845 go short, below 1845 remain short on gold, and then you can expect it to drop considerably till towards 1840, 1836, and then below that we may see a sharper fall. Directional movement is yet bearish. Stochastic is near to bottom there, trying to look upwards here on the hourly charts. Now MACD is trading parallel, trading flat without any divergence. RSI is sloping slightly downwards but trading exactly at the median there. Now look at the 2-hour charts. Similarly on the 2-hour charts, consistently giving lower highs and all are well connected. Now I'll be looking forward for it to break past by this zone at 1852. If it breaks past 1850-52 zone, there could be a sharper rise, else it will continue to drop and one can remain short on gold again below 1845. Below that we may see it dropping sharply. See the 2-hour range and see the Bollinger Bands. The width of Bollinger Bands is narrowed, indicating low volatility in gold. Their directional movement is bearish here. The stochastic is looking downwards, and it is contradicting to what we have seen on the hourly charts. It is looking downwards, indicating little bearishness. The MACD is also trading bearish. It is trading in a sell zone, and RSI is also looking downwards but trading in the middle of the band there. Now look at the 3-hour charts. Similarly on the 3-hour charts, same reflection what we saw on hourly charts, and this is trying to expand with the little single drop there. At the same time, the resistance there at 1850 is going to be important. 1850, 1852 zone. Only beyond this you can remain long. Then 1855 very strong resistance, and beyond that we may see it flying on the upside. Till the time it trades below 1850-52 zone, one can remain short. And yes, at the same time one must not forget 1845 very strong support, and then 1840. These two levels are now the very strong support for gold. One must not forget on the 3-hour charts. See, it is trying to trade in this narrowing triangle. It has to witness a breakout, and the only indication of this breakout is below 1840 levels. Once it drops below 1840, it is going to be single red line which may be taking it downwards, or if it breaks on the upside towards 1855, it is going to be a single green line on the upward. So I'll be looking for a breakout in gold. It is giving higher lows, it is giving lower highs on the charts there. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is again willing to cross over for a sell. Let's see if it does cross over and looks downwards. MACD is crossed over. MACD is wide, divergent and bearish. RSI sloping downwards, however trading at the middle there. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, here too similar is the observation, and also one must not forget the observation that consistently lower highs are given and consistently lower highs and lower lows are given there. This is a narrowing triangle. What is the range? 1855 to 1840 levels. In between these $50 we have to be cautious while taking a position. Yes, you can go short at 1845. There you can expect it to drop till towards 1842 40 levels, And if it drops below 1840 now, yes, you can remain short on gold, and then we can expect a sharper decisive move. It will give a breakout, it will give a sharp breakout on the downside. Probably see Twin Peaks retracement trying to give a breakout, and this time the breakout is going to be sharp, so one can remain short on gold below 1845 levels. I'll be looking it to give a sharp drop till towards 1840 first, and very strong support, and below that we'll be looking forward to 1830, 1820. In fact, 1810 zone can also be expected. So yes, I'll be watchful of 1840 levels. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic on the 3-hour charts is looking upwards, looking bullish here. MACD is divergent and MACD is bearish on the 3-hour charts. The RSI is also looking downwards on the 4-hour charts here. Now see, we have seen these charts and we have found that yes, there is a probable bearishness here, but I will be watchful of 1840 levels. Now coming back to the daily charts. On the daily charts, we have seen yet higher highs and also higher lows. Now this is what we call, see, if you connect the dots, you will find it is consistently giving you higher lows. So watch out for 1840. Below 1845, I will be looking out for 1840 levels. Sliding or dropping below 1840, yes, you can remain short on gold for next few days, few weeks. We may see it dropping, and this is going to be a decisive move which will try to bring it down till 1820, 1810 and below 1800 levels. So be cautious of this. Also on the upside, if it breaks past here at 1855, you can expect 1860, and then beyond that you can say that it is going to fly high till 1860, 1880 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is trading flat. The MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a sell on the daily charts. RSI is trading flat. Considering this, as again I said, sell below 1845, or rather I will say you can remain short on gold today till it's below 1850 levels. Every high is an opportunity to sell till 1850. The target is 1840, 1836. Then it is going to give you a sharp correction, sharp drop till 1830, 1820 and below levels. At the same time, any move beyond 1855, close your short at it, all your shorts at 1855. Expect it to rise till 1860, which is again very strong resistance level for the upside move, and beyond 1860 we may see it flying till towards 1880, 1900 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly charts, here is a reversal. It is trying to give you lower highs. At the same time, I will be watchful of 2150. Any breakout below 2150, I will recommend you to go short there, and a breakout beyond 2170, you can go long there. So in between 2150 to 2160, I will not 2170, I will not recommend you to go or trade anything. Above 2170, you can expect 2180 first target, 2190 and then 2200 can see a little, show a little resistance. Directional movement is bearish on the hourly charts, but the stochastic is oversold, hence a little bounce back can be expected. The MACD is extremely bearish here, and it is still on the sell side. I'll be watchful of that. On the hourly chart, it may show a couple of green candles. The RSI is also sloping downwards. Similarly, if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts too, similar is the observation. Lower highs and lower lows, but at the same time the support at 2150 is very strong, and resistance at 2170 is going to play a stronger role too. Do not trade between in these two levels. Above 2170, yes, you can expect it to trade for 2180, and then beyond that it will fly till towards 2190, 2200 levels. Any move beyond 2200 sky is the limit for 2120 and 2240 and 2260 levels. Now if you look at directional movement is bearish on the 2-hour charts. The stochastic is again looking downwards. The MACD has sharply dropped below zero levels, and now it is near to -10. At the same time, it is white divergent, indicating more of bearishness here. Stochastic looking downwards on the 2-hour charts. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts too, similarly you will find See, on the 2 hour charts, it has given a strong decisive breakout here. Already is trading below this critical support at 2180. I have always told watchful of these levels, and now it is trading below this level at 2180, which is now going to be the critical resistance, and hence I'll be watchful of that. At the same time, lower highs on the 3 hour charts is making me cautious too. So yes, in between 2150 and 2170, do not trade. Take a long entry about 2170, which will try to take it towards 2180. Very strong resistance lies at 2180 to 2200 zone, breaking beyond which, yes, you can remain long, and below 2150 we may see a sharper drop on the downside. Also look at directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is again become oversold here. Be watchful of this. It can show you a couple of green candles there. The MACD is wide divergent and it is extremely bearish, and the stochastic and the MACD is trading bearish. RSI is trading at the near to oversold regions. So be watchful of this on the 3 hour charts on silver, and it gives me a clear cut indication that do not trade between 2150 to 2170 levels. Now look at the 4 hour charts. On the 4 hour charts, here it is taking the supports at 2150, very strong support zone here. At the same time, previous support zone was at 2180 levels. Now it is dropped below these levels. It has come out of this, it has broken this channel, now taking the next support level. So I'll be watchful of 2150 for sure, and breaking below which definitely one can remain short. One can expect it to drop below 2140, the next support level, and then on the downside we may see a single line vertical fall. So be watchful of this. Directional movement is extremely bearish. Stochastic is near to oversold. And the MACD is wide divergent, extremely bearish. And if you look at the RSI, this is also near to bottom there. So see, in some, most of the indicators in silver are oversold on multiple time frames, but just have a look on the daily time frames. Also look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you will find silver has given yet higher highs. There is a resistance at 2250, multiple candles getting reflected from there or reversed from there. Look at this, higher lows also we have seen till now. So yes, there is a support now at 2150. If it breaks 2150 today, one can remain short and one can expect 2140, and then 2100 levels can also be seen. This is trying to give you a stronger breakout. So I'll be watchful of this today. Look at the directional movement is still bullish on the daily charts. Stochastic is taking a vertical fall and now it is come back to the oversold levels. See, stochastic has a beauty. Coming back to the oversold levels does not mean that it cannot sustain. Look at this, it has seen a good fall while it was in the oversold levels itself. It has entered here at these levels, and then we have seen series of fall till the time it traded below these levels. So I'll be cautious with the stochastic here, taking a decision just based on the stochastic. MACD is trying to converge and crossover for a bearish move, and RSI is trading flat. So it appears that we may see a little sideways movement and the indicators may try to bounce back a little on the minor time frames, hourly, 2 hourly, 3 hourly charts. That is just before the CPI session. With the CPI data, we may see it rising a bit, and then from there probably it may try to take a drop. So but only short entry I will recommend is below 2150 levels, and then 2140 is going to be the major support. Below 2140 we may see a sharper fall for 2120 and 2100. So yes, one can remain short below 2150, that is the call. Above 2170 there are very strong resistance at 2180, 2190 and 2200 levels. If 2200 is taken, then yes, you can remain long on silver for the rest of the day. Take your positions accordingly. Beyond 2200 also there could be a sharper flight. Always trade with a stop loss, always trade, keep shifting your stop loss to cost, and that is how you can profit. So take your positions accordingly. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.